Now to an ABC 10 exclusive. A family finally seeing progress toward justice 4 years after the death of their son. 13-year-old Max Benson died after being restrained at a non-public school in 2018.
Just yesterday, the Department of Education announced they have reached an agreement with the district to change their policies moving forward. ABC 10's Alicia Machado spoke exclusively with Benson's mother about what this means to her. An emotional time, I'm sure, for the family, Alicia.
Definitely, Chris. Max's mother says this is a good first step in the fight to making sure children with disabilities are safe in school. The family finally seeing some movement 4 years after his death. But she says there's still a long way to go. His mother dedicating her life to pushing for better treatment.
He was the heart of our family. He was so filled with joy and energy, and especially this time of year in the holidays, he is missed so much.
A Max-sized hole is hard to fill 4 years after the 13-year-old's death. Max Benson, a bright light with a big sense of humor, as his mother, Stasia Langley, remembers fondly.
He was a character, and he
made you laugh.
Not a day goes by that she doesn't think about Max.
I think about it when I wake up, and I think about it when I go to bed, and I think about it when I dream. I don't want to talk about the details. I don't want to talk about what he looked like. I don't want to talk about lying in bed with him and telling him all the good times we had. Well, his heart was stopping. But that's what happened, and I don't want it to happen again to anyone.
Langley pushing for changes to protect kids like Max. A breakthrough announced Wednesday. The United States Department of Education's Office for Civil Rights reaching an agreement with Davis Joint Unified School District to revise their policies about restraint and seclusion on students with disabilities. That revision must be done by the end of January 2023. This comes 4 years after Max's death. In 2018, Max died after being restrained for a long period of time at Guiding Hands, a non-public school.
Well, this was an inch, but there's miles to go. I could rest if we could outlaw restraint against children. We hope it's something that just sweeps the country.
After conducting an investigation, the department also found that the district violated the rights of 3 students with disabilities.
This is our small little community here, but things have to change on the bigger scale. We have to stop doing this to our children. Our children deserve to live, and they deserve to not be harmed by their schools.
An attorney representing Max's family and 9 others says 2 lawsuits have also been filed against the school. He tells me next week a mediation session is scheduled to try to reach a settlement in the case.
It needs to stop. These are situations which are totally avoidable.
In a statement to ABC 10, the district says they plan to provide additional training to staff, review cases of restraint, and provide the Civil Rights Office with information in any restraint or seclusion cases, adding, quote, "We remain committed to the safety of our students and staff, and we intend to comply with the Office of Civil Rights requests."
In December, several employees were indicted for involuntary manslaughter in this case. We'll continue to follow this and let you know when there are any updates.